I had been feeling called to video for a few years now, and I didn't really have any excuse to not have done it already.
My dream was to be on video. I wanted to start my own YouTube channel because it was just an easier way to convey all of the things I want to talk about.
I had been going to conferences and listening to podcasts, and I knew video, if I was uncomfortable with video, that I had to do video.
I just didn't know what I didn't know. I didn't know where to start.
I am just a very introverted person, so didn't feel very comfortable with it.
I think I didn't trust myself and what I personally was good at or was interested in. I didn't know if anyone would trust me.
I had some of the same hangups with being in front of the camera. How does my hair look? What about the makeup? And all of that.
I don't have an eye for photography. I don't have an eye for video. I don't have an eye for lighting.
I had spent so much time just on YouTube and just trying to put so many people's advice together and just try different things, and nothing was really working.
So I wanted one place that I could go to that talked to all the aspects of video from start to finish, soup to nuts.
And what differs about Amanda's course from the other courses I was researching is that it really covers everything you need to know from beginning to end.
I like to understand, what I need to do, but not more than what I need to do. And that's what I got with the program, that I was able to efficiently, quickly, skillfully get the video made without having to get overwhelmed over all these other technical things that, you don't need to start getting those results.
It really has been a game changer, full stop. Game changer.
I just kind of binged watched the whole course, and I was able to immediately take action.
Just having those few times in front of the camera, 30, 45 minutes, talking, writing script, finding your shot, finding the right clothes, and you sleep on it a few times. Slowly you get in front of the camera and it builds on itself. It's like, okay, I think I know what I'm trying to do, and it just starts to become more natural. And you're just like, wow, I'm getting in front of the camera and it just looks different. I'm not really trying anymore. I can kind of understand what I'm trying to do, and my body just kind of knows what to do at that point.
It took like 2 watches of the video and 3 tries, and I was like, wow, this looks fantastic. That was simple. So it just clicked for me. It's stayed the same ever since.
There are just basics as far as lighting, cameras, and audio that can be followed no matter time or place or how long it lasts. You're going to get great quality, and you can do it yourself.
This course, it just gives you everything you need to even just get started and to evolve and to grow your business. It's a new business development tool.
I went into this thinking that it was just going to be about marketing myself, but it's about so much more. So you're taking time to step back, reflect on where you've been, where you're going, how it connects, how that comes out in video.
I got to experience internal shift when I work on gaining clarity on my message and gaining clarity on my purpose, because that was my anchor.
Everything became more clear as to where I'm meant to go and what I'm meant to do.
I really started to think about becoming a thought leader as a viable option for a career path. And I'm super happy with my first video, even though she said I was going to hate my first video and that everybody is like, oh, that was terrible. I felt like it turned out really well, and I'm excited to make future ones.
So now that I've taken the course, I've absorbed the information, and I'm legitimately making and editing videos, I have that sort of like sky's the limit feeling. Like I'm picturing myself making all of these crazy YouTube videos and becoming like super famous because of them. Because now I know that I actually can do them.
Since taking this program, I have created 21 videos for my business. And before that, I had 0 videos. And I think the best part for me is not even implementing everything Amanda has taught me yet, but I'm able to just get started and get going. And every week I'm getting better and better and better, even if it's like one little thing at a time.
You build up so much credibility at some point, like you're just converting and you're not really having to put much effort into it anymore.
Through using some of the skills that Amanda has presented, over the last year, I have become so busy that I actually can't take on more work without thinking about hiring more people.
If you own a business and you're not doing video, you need this course.
You're learning from somebody who did this for clients, then did this for herself, then built her brand around it. So learning from somebody who's done video for so many different people, including herself, in so many different ways, and is using her for a business, just gives you so much breadth of knowledge that it just takes your video game to an entirely different level. Like, I was good when I started, but this really helped me to be like, okay, I know a lot more. I'm more confident. I've got my systems down, and I'm really happy I took it.
If you're not sure if this is right for you, just remember, I am terrible with computers. I am not a technical person at all. If I can complete Amanda's course and create videos as a result of it, then you definitely can too.
If you're thinking about using video in your business, there's a reason why. And just taking that step to go down that road and being brave enough to go through the process of everything with a leader like Amanda, it's going to be so much easier than sitting there and trying to figure that out on your own for the next 2 or 3 years and end up struggling with it. So I would encourage you to go with it. That you know what you're thinking, all the signs are pointing to it. So I encourage you to go down that road for video.
If you like the videos on this channel, I promise you are going to love my course. Let me lay out the exact roadmap that you need to take in order to create videos with confidence in the fastest way possible so that you can continue doing what you love. Come join me in the DIY video roadmap. I genuinely cannot wait to be your guide on this journey. Click the link in the description below to find out more and enroll.